Hello everyone, this video I'm going to walk you through how to save story to gallery, that is camera roll, on Snapchat. First thing is open up your Snapchat app, then tap on the chat icon at the bottom, tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner, then go to my story and then tap on the two lines at the corner and tap on save story. This will save your entire story to your memories. If you want this, tap on yes. So the next thing you do is next story, you can do the same thing, or if you want to save one after the other, you save only one and you press save snap. So I want to save the story itself. If you select this one, tap on three dots, tap on save story to save it. So it's as simple as that. That is how to save story to gallery or camera roll on Snapchat. Thanks for watching.